Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep a tiny living world thriving right inside your home? Stay with me till the end of this video because today I'll share the complete guide to taking care of your ant farm, including a few crucial tips that most beginners miss. And those mistakes can actually destroy the whole colony. So make sure you watch this video fully so your ants stay healthy, active, and safe. Ant farms are more than just a hobby. They're like having your own miniature universe where you can see teamwork, growth, and nature's intelligence up close. But to keep this tiny world running perfectly, you must understand their needs just like any pet. The first and most important step is choosing the right species. If you're a beginner, always start with hardy species like Lash's formica or black garden ants. These ants survive well in simple setups and don't need complicated environments. Avoid exotic or aggressive species until you have some experience because they require special temperatures and feeding schedules. Once you have your ants, the next thing to focus on is their habitat. A healthy ant farm needs three main things: proper ventilation, the right moisture levels, and secure tunnels so the ants don't escape. Many beginners overwater their ant farm, which causes mold and collapses tunnels. Remember, ants love moisture, but they hate floods. Just lightly hydrate the nest area once or twice a week, depending on the humidity of your room. If your farm has a hydration chamber or sponge, keep it damp, not soaked. Always check the walls of the nest. If you see condensation everywhere, it means there is too much water. Feeding the ants is another essential part of their care. A balanced ant diet includes sugary foods for energy and proteins for growth. You can feed them honey water, sugar water, or small drops of maple syrup for carbohydrates. For protein, give them small pieces of insects like mealworms or fruit flies. If you don't have insects, you can give boiled egg white or tiny pieces of chicken, but always remove leftover food within 24 hours to prevent mold or mites. Feeding small amounts frequently is better than giving too much at once. Remember, ants are tiny creatures, they don't need big meals. Temperature and light also play a very important role in their health. Most ant species prefer room temperature between 22 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep the ant farm away from direct sunlight because the heat can dry the colony or even cook the ants inside their tunnels. Ants feel safe in darkness, so cover part of the farm with a piece of black paper or cloth. This helps them behave naturally and build tunnels faster. If you want them to be more active, maintain a stable, warm environment, but avoid overheating. Cleaning and maintenance are also important to keep your ant farm healthy. Ants are naturally clean insects, but the foraging area can become dirty with leftover food and waste. Use a small soft brush or cotton swab to gently remove debris. Never use chemical cleaners near the ant farm. Even a small amount of spray or scent can kill the whole colony. If your farm has a removable outworld, clean it once every 2 weeks. And don't forget, escaping ants are a common issue for beginners. To avoid this, apply a thin layer of escape prevention like baby powder with rubbing alcohol or PTFE barrier around the container walls. This keeps the ants from climbing out. Finally, one of the biggest secrets to keeping your ant farm healthy is patience. Ant colonies grow slowly. It might take weeks or months before you see big tunnels or a large number of workers. Don't shake the farm, don't keep moving it to different places, and never disturb the queen. The more stable the environment, the faster the colony will grow. So, if you want your ant farm to flourish, remember the key steps. Choose a beginner-friendly species, keep moisture balanced, feed them properly, maintain the right temperature, clean regularly, and above all, be patient. By following these tips, you'll not only keep your ants healthy, but also enjoy watching a tiny civilization grow day by day.